This is the Miele ContourLine built-in electric single oven. It's in clean steel. I absolutely love this oven and I can't recommend it highly enough. It works really well, it looks really good, and it's also got a 76 litre capacity. It's really easy to clean, the glass doesn't get hot when it's in use, and it's got 7 different cooking features. So you've got conventional heat, bottom heating, grill, fan, intensive bake, fan, grill, gentle bake, and you've also got a rapid heat up function which speeds up the preheating process, which I think is just fantastic. Now, as well as all the cooking features, this also has pyrolytic cleaning. Now, I'd never heard of this before, but this actually makes the cleaning of your oven really, really simple. So the oven heats up to around 480 degrees and it just burns up any food residue that's left, and all that remains afterwards is ash, which you just wipe away, and then your oven's perfectly clean again. There are 3 different levels to this pyrolytic cleaning, so it depends on how soiled your appliance is as to whether you choose 1, 2 or 3, but it just gives you those different options. Anything that makes the cleaning of an oven easier is a bonus in my eyes. So you've got the fact that it cooks brilliantly, it cleans brilliantly. I think my favourite feature has to be that the glass doesn't get hot at all. No matter what temperature I've cooked at, I've been able to touch the front of the oven and it hasn't felt like it's been on at all. It's brilliant. Everything that comes with the oven has been treated with a perfect clean lining. So the baking trays resist grease, the inside of the oven wipes clean easily. It's got an anti-fingerprint stainless steel, which makes everything just stay looking really, really nice, which is always a bonus when you've got small children. Taking a closer look at the oven then, here's what's inside. So it comes with a rack and it comes with a baking tray, and inside the baking tray you've got this insert which is an anti-splash insert. Now I think this is great because you can roast and you can cook all your meats with juices in, and you just pop that inside and then it prevents the grease splashing up onto the sides of the oven and keeping everything really nice and clean. So that's the inside of the oven, and here are the controls. So the controls have got a few different features. You've obviously got your 2 push buttons here. You can turn to your 7 different cooking functions this side, and you've got your temperature control this side. As you can see, it's turned on, the lights come on, and everything's working brilliantly. So once you've got your food in the oven, you can then come to this touch screen panel. So you've got 3 choices here. You've got your minute minder, so you can just set for say 30 minutes, push it in and it will let you know once you have reached your 30-minute mark. So if I wanted to do 30 minutes, I'd just click OK, I'd scroll up here, I'd press OK, and it starts counting down for you. This particular model has a really clever setting. It's for cooking, duration and finish time. And basically what it means is you can put a dish in the oven and you can set a time that you want this dish to be ready for, and the oven does all the hard work for you. So you need to turn your oven on as you would. You select your program, you put your dish in the oven, and then you come to your timers here. So what you want to do first is set how long you need the dish to be cooked for. So you go along to this second symbol here and you click OK. I'm going to say that I want it cooked for 10 minutes. And I'm going to OK it. Now that's the time set, but what you want to do now is click OK again and scroll up once more to this symbol here, and this is actually the time that you want the dish ready for. So let's say I would like the dish ready for 7:30. I'm going to click OK again. Oops. There we go, and the oven has actually turned itself off now because it knows that I do not want it to be cooked yet. So everything's set, everything's in the oven, and it's ready to be cooked and will be perfect at 7:30.